Hello, thanks for joining me. Today I'll be making Mexican dirty rice. Let's get started. Okay, I have a little bit of oil heating up. I have some garlic, bell peppers, that's green and yellow, red, orange and yellow. And I have some white onions. Let's go in. Gonna cook these up until they become tender, and then we're gonna remove them from the pan. That took about 4 minutes. Gonna add a little more oil. I'm using ground round. You can use hamburger, ground chuck, whatever you like. It's ugly in it. Inside. Gonna cook this until it browns up. It has quite a bit of oil, if you can see it. So I'm going to drain all but a little bit of that off. So I have some Mexican flavor cubes. They are really delicious. I'm going to add in here. And if you don't have any, you can use some taco seasoning. I can use a couple. And this is just a little over a pound of meat here. You're going to mix that in. Let it dissolve, and then we're going to taste it and see if we have enough. I added another cube in while you weren't looking. Now it's full of flavor. Delicious. I have some tomato sauce. Turn it up. And this is a little 8-ounce can. Let's get that mixed together. And we're almost there. I'm hungry. Pretty hungry. Let me see. Add some green chilies. I'm not going to add a lot. I'll check and see if I need more. I don't like really spicy food. Just a little hint where it hits me in the back of the throat is good enough for me. My bell peppers, garlic, and onions. I like doing these one pot dishes. Taste it. Good. That's really tasty. I have some black beans. You add a few. Just a few more. I have a slotted spoon so I don't put all that juice in. Let's see. Oh, wait. A few more beans. So that hit me right in the back of the throat. It's delicious though. If you can find these, get you some. If you don't see them in the stores, I got this from Walmart. If you don't see them in the stores, get online. That's where I find the things that I can't find in the store. Turn this down. We don't want our beans to get mushy. I have some white rice. This is just the instant rice when you don't feel like making, just regular rice. It's okay to use it sometimes. I'm tossing it. I want to see if I need more rice. Rice drains moisture. So you don't want to put too much in. Oh wait. Oh wait. Oh wait. Just a little more. Good food makes me sing. I may add a pinch of salt. I'm going to add a pinch of salt. That's it. There's some parsley that I have here. I'm going to add that in. That's fresh parsley that I've chopped up. You can use dried if you have it. See, it made a lot. If you need, you want more, of course, you use a couple pounds of meat, whichever one you choose. And just add more vegetables and more beans and more rice. And of course you have to season it to your liking. If you need less, just do a half a pound. This is ready. And it's delicious. And I'm going to make some chips just to eat on the side. Show you what I'm going to do. Get my cheese. More perfect area. I have some soft tacos made by Ole. I mean taco tortillas, I'm sorry. Tortillas. I'm going to take one of these. We're going to add some oil. Just a little. I'm sorry, can you see me? Sorry. Add a little bit of oil on both sides. Keep this on low. Okay, take them. And I'm going to put these in my air fryer. We're only going to take a few minutes. I'm going to put it on 400. I'm going to cook them up. Let's cook them up. And here you go. Only took a couple minutes, and I didn't put any seasonings on them. You can add seasonings if you like, because these right here, they're nice and buttery. Just the way they are. Really flavorful. And so, it's a pretty dish, isn't it? I'm going to add a little crunch. Delicious. This is the way I'm serving it, but I'm going to eat mine on a tortilla. My, it just looks so good. Oh, you know what? I forgot. A little bit more. Got to add my cheese on. A little bit of cheese. A little bit of cheese here. Well, I'm going to eat mine. I could have heated it up a little bit, make to make it more pliable, but I'm going to eat this. It really doesn't matter for me. Delicious. I could have added some lettuce on here too. I probably will after I'm done. That is really good. Forget my smack. Just gonna lay it here. Oh, so thanks for watching. And remember to pray, and then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't, and if you have, thank you so much. Share with friends and family, and comment. I would love to hear from you. And until next time, you be safe, you be blessed, and remember that I love you. You. I really do. Later. Gotta eat the rest of this. This is really tasty. Thumbnail.